fell asleep standing up. Oh, there's a goat. Fell asleep standing up. More goats. Here are the sheep. Sheep weepies. There goes that goat.
Little sneaker.
No.
Hello. Kind of.
I don't.
You don't have horns. Are you friendly? You seem friendly. Tiny little babies.
Oh my god. Oh.
Hi, Mama. You must be their mother. Ooh, she gave me a little. Gave me a little goat kiss.
That is so cute. Hi, Mama.
Mama will give you.
Oh my god, that's
Mama
so
will give you a goat kiss.
adorable.
Oh, there he goes. There's a bee. There are donkeys. Hey guys. Hi. Look at your head. Hi, rub your head. Hi. Ow. Oh, you didn't like that. Hi, buddy. You're a pretty donkey. I like donkeys. Cowsy wowsies. Looks like we're going through seeing some cowsy wowsies. Cowsy wowsies. Ooh. There's some big boys right here. Big boy cows.
Are you doing it?
Oh, you're bigger than me. Bigger than me. Good Lord, you're huge. Goodness. Bigger than me and Shelly combined. Oh, hi. Hi. More little babies. See the little baby? The little baby? Looks like she's pregnant with more.
Yeah.
There's two of them. There's a black one. There's a nice, pretty horse right here. At least you like me. Those are not little, Shelly. They're huge, almost as big as that bull back there.
That's a baby.
Look, a baby.
That's no little baby.
That's a baby.
Big baby. This is fine. We're moving. Pulling by those things.